Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Following her retirement from international track and field, sprint legend Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce was feted royally on her arrival from the Tokyo World Championships on Monday. Here's Garfield Jones.
It was a welcome fitting for a queen. Red roses, a customized cake, adoring fans, and of course, lots of hugs from mommy. After gracing the track for almost 2 decades, Fraser-Pryce has called time on her glittering career. On Monday, she returned to the island from the Tokyo World Athletics Championships after cupping her last medal on the global stage. With her family by her side, Fraser-Pryce was feted by one of her longtime sponsors in the VIP lounge at the Norman Manley International Airport. She was gracious for all the support she has received over the years.
This year, even with storms and obstacles, you guys have helped me to find my way through them by always being by my side, and I'm grateful for that. And I continue to just celebrate the moment for what it is, because it is such a rich history that we all have. And I know you guys spoke about all the achievements that I have or been, had on the track, but it's not just about me. It's so many other Jamaican athletes that came before me.
Fraser-Pryce, while reflecting on her stellar career, was optimistic about the future of female sprinting locally.
And it has been an amazing beginning and an amazing, chapter in a part of the book, and to be able to share the moment with upcoming queens is also remarkable, because I remember in 2007 when I started in Osaka, I was so intimidated by all the other athletes, and I don't think it's any fault of theirs. It's just how I looked at myself at that time. So I'm hoping that with me being there in that moment, that they will feel inspired to understand that there's so much more for them to achieve.
Team manager of Jamaica's team to Tokyo, Ian Forbes, who also returned on Monday, spoke glowingly of Fraser-Pryce's career.
Consummate professional, role model, advocate, superb athlete, a real legend, or as they say, the GOAT, with respect to not just sprinting, but with respect to Olympic World Championships and other types of events. She has been a beacon for the last 18 years.
Sports Minister Olivia Grange also gave Fraser-Pryce her flowers.
Now, there might be no universal agreement on who is the greatest woman sprinter in history, but as far as we are all concerned, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is not only the best woman sprinter Jamaica has produced, but is the best the world has seen.
Sunday's silver medal in the sprint relay was the 17th medal won by Fraser-Pryce at the World Athletics Championships. She has also won 8 medals across 4 Olympic Games. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.